Nasa airport na kami. Punta na kami sa pupuntahan namin. Busy ang airport. Busy ang airport. Guys, nakapag-check-in na kami ng luggage namin. So, we're heading to the border yung sa aeroplano. Ang daming tao. Egg sami is really delicious, and we have this eggs. Wow, see, it's very nice, very yummy, and it's the same thing, right? The same. It's very yummy. Everything is here. Yeah. Kainday. Dumating na kami sa Las Vegas Airport. But look at this. Dito sa Las Vegas, ang airport nila yung may laruan ng mga machine na maglalaro ka habang nag-wait ka ng anong tawag niyan, ng flight mo. Andito may na sila, mga slot machine para pwede kang maglaro, magka-gambling. All is dumating ka dito, mga laruan na kaagad sa Las Vegas Airport. May Las Vegas. Magbabas kami kasi punta kami sa magre-rent ng car. So, magbas kayo sa mag-rent ng car. Airport. Rent na car. We're gonna go National. Alamo. Dito kami sa Dollar. Tapos Enterprises, 60-50. Tapos doon, doon. Rent a car dito. Dito kami sa Dollar. Daming tao sa Dollar. Ito kunti lang. Wala naman dito sa National. Ito kami. Ay mga kainday, naka-check-in na kami sa hotel. Pero nagwe-wait pa kami ng anong tawag niya, yung room available kasi wala pang room, pero nandito pa kami. Patingin po muna kami dito. Tingnan. Yan po ang hotel namin na tinutuloyan dito sa Las Vegas. So nandito kami sa Luxor. So look like a pyramid. So tingnan nyo, pyramid. So yun ang pinaka ng taas ng pyramid nandoon. So itong mga ganito, yan dyan yung mga kwarto. Yan, mga room ng mga sa hotel. So, ngayon, habang naghihintay kami ng tingnan mo, habang naghihintay kami ng hotel, kami yung, anong tawag niya, punta kami sa casino. Kasi sa baba ng hotel is casino, ganito sa Las Vegas. Pagdating mo sa Las Vegas, airport pa lang, maraming mga slot machine. Pwede ka nang magagambling. Tapos yung dito naman, sa anong tawag niyan, sa lahat ng hotel dito, lahat ng hotel sa Las Vegas ay may casino sa baba. Malaking casino sa baba. So ito po yung yung casino dito sa slot machine. daming slot machine. Hindi lang ako pwedeng papasok pa doon kasi maano ako sa music. So, pero ito yung Las Vegas talaga. Puro slot sa may casino sa baba ng hotel.
Did you see the Blue Man Group?
Blue Man Group?
Yeah.
No.
You see these guys already?
No.
They have a good show.
This is MJ Pyramid. Iniwanan ako ng aking asawa. Hanap kami ng pagkain. Maganda dito. Kailangan maraming pera pag pumunta rito. Hindi lang 1,000 ng hindi lang $1,000 kaya 3,000 to 4,000 siguro ay ewan. Okay, ito lahat dito. So we are now in Mandalay Bay. Where is Pacquiao? We are now in the Mandalay Bay. Where is Pacquiao have a boxing, fighting the boxing. We are now here in this building, Mandalay Bay. But the entrance here, I told you, Mandalay is a hotel too, but sa baba ay puro casino. Lahat ng hotel sa Las Vegas, sa baba ay casino. We're gonna go to in the hotel. Look at this, guys. Our hotel. Oh my God, look at this. You are now here. Oh, it's covered. So, nandun sa baba, pero covered na siya. So, yan. Empty room. Wow. Oh. It's the room. Where is the lock? So this is the room that we have. Tiring today. We just get in the hotel. So this is the room actually. Okay. So now is okay. So ganito kasi nga pyramid siya. So naging slant ang So nandoon yung Mandalay Bay na diyan si Manny Pacquiao boxing, sabi ko. Yan Mandalay Bay. So kaharap namin sa likod ng Mandalay Bay kasi ito siya is ang form ay pyramid, yung Luxor store, Luxor Hotel. So smell good. Okay. But there's no water. I need water. So we are 5 days here. 5 nights. So that one. So I don't know if there's no refrigerator. But Vegas, there's no refrigerator. This is Vegas, there's no refrigerator, no microwave oven, no nothing for coffee. It's just empty. So only this one complement if you can get the how you call that one? Get the ice. I don't know where is the ice. So I'm thirsty, but I don't know. I don't have water too. Okay. Thank you for watching. So that's our things here. We just hand carry our things. So that's me. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. This is back of the back of the and the 10th floor. The back of the Luxor Hotel. There's the elevator there. Okay. 10th floor. And the 10th floor. Elevator. Ground floor. We are at the 10th floor. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Easy. No 5. 2. So we are in the 2nd floor. 1 first floor. Okay, open the door. So we're gonna go here. And there. Where? In here. Casino. Let's go into casino here. So we are now in the 1st floor. So we came from 3rd floor of 10th floor from hotel. So there, that's the one. You see, ito yung nakitaan ninyo nung nandun sa pagtaas. So galing kami doon sa 10th floor na dyan. Dyan. Galing 10th floor. Galing kami ng ito yung nakita nyo. So ito yung nasa baba na sa may casino. 10th floor. So yun, nanggaling kami dyan sa taas. So yun nakita nyo dito sa sa baba. Ito na yung galing kami sa taas doon. Sa 10th floor. It's a pyramid ang style ng hotel. Pyramid.